Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business creative flow using smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a business poster design that feels slightly stiff. I pause here because business visuals should feel alive, not mechanical. I duplicate the layer first, always protecting my original work. Now I select the smudge tool and choose a soft brush. Slowly, I begin dragging edges of background colors, just a little. I stop for a moment and feel the motion. This tool is not about speed, it's about control. I gently smudge highlights to create flow between shapes. I zoom in and softly blend harsh transitions. I pause again because overdoing this can kill professionalism.